In this video we will learn how to approve or reject asset module requests in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the asset module on top navigation bar. So here you can see asset approval form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Request and asset type drop-downs show all types of requests that can be viewed. Either select a specific asset type or select request type asset or asset return request. In the grid below you can see list of requests. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments, then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.